こ。
すごい。
Okay, okay.
It's very loud.
This is amazing.
聞こえる。
And can you hear me?
No.
You cannot?
Whoa, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's really, really nice. Enjoy the music.
Yeah. And I enjoy it. So I'm very happy with this.
Very nice.
So yeah, it's really cool.
I'm listening to music and there's nothing in my ear.
These are so cool.
Although the sound quality is really good, and I do like the sound quality of this.
You can hear sound coming out of your nose.
The sound is seriously like incredible.
But very clear music. I love it. It's really cool.
I like it. Very stylish.
I really like them. They're like perfect.
I think it's great, man. I think it's an awesome design.
Because they're the cutest too. Plus, don't they look cute on me?
I'm so excited about these.
Good gadget.
Yo, it's cool.
And I like how it's going to be gel as well.
I like this design a lot better than these.
I think this is perfect for me. I should buy this. You should buy this.
I would buy it.
I would buy it.
Make sure you guys cop these glasses from Music Lens.
This is Moft, the lightest adhesive laptop stand around, tailored perfectly for mobile working. It's practically invisible, but still comforts your neck and shoulders anywhere you work. The Moft stand is as light as a pen and thin as a coin. Simply fold it when you need and unfold it when you're on the go. No need to carry around anything extra in your bag. With 2 elevation adjustments, Moft optimizes your sitting posture, reducing neck pain and soothing your wrist when typing. Take discomfort completely out of your work. The unique material and triangular structure makes it capable of holding up to 18 pounds. The removable plastic means it's detachable and reattachable to your computer, giving it zero chance to fall off and leaving no residue on the surface. Typing on Moft feels like using a metal stand, undisturbed, laser-focused on what you need to do. Adaptable to a wide variety of environments, fitting all types of MacBooks and colors. This is Moft, an invisible yet reliable stand for your ergonomic comfort. Moft.
Traveling is an adventure. Always on the go, always connected. People who are willing to reach for new frontiers, to look for new experiences. Traveling empowers professionals, those who go beyond for a unique opportunity, without fears, without worries, with deep passion and belief, with full energy. Traveling unites families, new ways of seeing, learning, experiencing, engaging, where each one bonds and connects in one place. At Egg Electronics, we're moving forward and further to power your lifestyle, and we're eager to energize ourselves in our travels and our work. Like yourself, we too are adventurers, professionals, parents, and siblings, and we're eager to energize ourselves in our travels and our work. That's why we've developed the new Egg Traveler, the first portable power strip with a built-in power bank that gives you the freedom to charge multiple devices anytime, anywhere.
Wherever you are,
Wherever you want to go.
we are powering you.
Be one of our first backers and help us bring Egg Traveler to life.
This is the world's most secure backpack. It's built to protect your valuables when you're carrying them and when you can't have an eye on them. I'm Don from Locktote. It all started 3 years ago after having my stuff stolen off the beach. I tried to find an anti-theft bag to prevent this from ever happening again, but they all sucked. They were ugly, made with poor quality, and really didn't provide any security at all. So, I created my own, and thus the Flak Sack was born. It smashed crowdfunding records. We sold over 50,000 of them, and it even got us an appearance on ABC's Shark Tank. Since then, we've been putting our bags through a lot of extreme tests, and we took the lessons learned, along with feedback from our customers, to create the next breakthrough in anti-theft backpacks. Introducing Locktote Cinch Pack, the world's most secure backpack. It's a practical, straight up and to the point daily carry backpack that's built with all the worry-free security features you've come to expect from Locktote. No electronic gadgets to fail or gimmicky doodads. Well, okay, maybe one. Just a tough-wearing, good-looking, simple, secure bag that works and will continue to work for years. Elegant in its simplicity and unapologetic in its brutal effectiveness. It's a cinch to carry and super secure because the bag's own weight keeps it tightly closed. No top zipper for thieves to exploit. The whole bag is covered with a proprietary slash-resistant fabric to prevent thieves from slashing through. With its built-in steel-reinforced lock strap, it can be clipped for quick security or locked when you need to leave it unattended. Cinch it, lock it, leave it. Enjoy whatever you're doing, and come back for it when you're done. The Cinch Pack has a deep main compartment with 22 liters carrying capacity, a padded laptop sleeve, and a fleece-lined, water-resistant RFID blocking interior pocket. The exterior features one hidden, easy-access zipper pocket, so you can get to important items such as passports or credit cards quickly, and a couple of multi-purpose water bottle pockets. If you're like most people, the stuff you carry in a backpack is too valuable to carry in a typical backpack. Whether you're commuting to work or school, traveling to an unknown place, or just lost in the crowd, the Cinch Pack has your back. These bags are already in our warehouse, and you have my word that they will ship to you in March of 2019. So back our project today and start living more and worrying less.